Look at that. If this was smell of foam. Well, good bloody merry morning. Out again, we're at Drakesbrook wines. It's a Hipcamp stay. They're a licensed seller, so they sell wine and everything else. They've got heaps of animals, heaps of geese, chickens, a couple of pigs, heaps of kangaroos. When we get ready, we'll go for a bit of a walk and we'll show you around. We're camped up the top there. Very nice place though, heaps of birds. The place is alive. It's awesome, I'm loving it. Pip's loving it. Yeah, we're just looking after Ollie now because a few days ago on Wednesday, Ollie had a seizure. That was Wednesday night. Took him to the vets, he stayed overnight and he was pretty good. The next day when he was home, he had 2 more at night. So he's now on medication, so he hasn't had one for 2-3 days now, so that's looking good. He's walking around like an old lost man, but he's still eating, still responding, still walking around. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye on him. Anyway, we'll show you the place. Here's a view from the dam. There's a couple of campers here too, so we're all well spread out. We don't see each other. Here's the dam. Gazebo over there, we'll take you there in a sec. All the geese. Awesome. How nice is this? I hope this mic works good. It's a multi-directional head on it, so it takes sound from the front and the rear, so I'm hoping that works. Little gazebo here. It's old mate's place up there. Old mate's cruising around. Come on, Ollie, good boy. And poo poo poo. Oh, they are. Local residents coming down. Hello ladies and gents, I'm sure there is. Hello all. Pippa. Hello. Here's a view from the gazebo. Awesome.
Ooh, are they guinea fowl?
They could be. Hello ladies. Beautiful. Won't disturb you anymore. Oh, here's what I've come to see. What do you think of that, Pip? Hey? Hello pigs. Pig pig. Yeah. He's probably still siestering. Old rooster.
Hello, cockatoos.
Let's grab that so I can.
Yes.
Hello. Hello you. Hello. Hello. Oh, here he is. Oh, he's getting tusks. Oh, wow. Right, we'll move on before young Pip and Ollie get too excited. Oh. And this is the cellar. So later on we'll go and have a look. Full of life, this place. It's awesome. Very nice. Hey, Pippa, no more. No, no, excuse me. No more talking. No more talking. Here we are. Oliver and Pip. Pip's chasing flames. Alright, so
Pippa, no more.
no good bloody goon, merry afternoon or anything like that. Dinner update. Chicken, duck fried, oiled potatoes, and some, what are they called?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Yeah, cheesy broccoli in the Weber. Awesome.
Lead up. Lead.
Apologies for the bad light, but can you hear all the frogs and crickets? Such a hot spot. All right, dinner. Dinner's done. Just saying. Look at that. If this was smellophone. Oh, the garlic. That's awesome. All right. Guess who's eating good tonight? Us. Enjoy. Good bloody merry morning. Just listening to all the birds, roosters, and everybody else who wants to make some noise. Red-tailed cockatoos, they're having a go. Got the fire going. I think it's going to be a lazy day. Had a little bit of sleeping, which is good. It's always good. So yeah, enjoying it. Hey Chooks! Hello! Chook, 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 chook. Hello! Oh, I said browns. Hello girls! Hello girls! You've come from nowhere. Look at you all. Look at you. Hello, girls. Crikey, how many's here? Oh my God. How many's here? Quite 20 chooks. I like chooks, they're awesome. Hello girls, is that the big boy? Oh wow. Hello mate. Oh wow, the white one, white and black one. Hello all. What do you reckon, Pip? Hey? Some vineyards up here is where they get all their wine, or grow their wine, grow their grapes. Nice. Karen and Steve, say hello. I'm trying to run from yous. Oh, okay, you stopped doing it. They were chasing me before. Drakesbrook wines. Just went and saw Bernie and his missus there, and we bought a few bottles of wine. Old Ollie's, he's telling us he's had enough. I asked Bernie if I could go and check out his fruit trees over there, so I'm just having a mandarin now. Bloody beautiful. Sweet as. What do you think of yours?
Yeah, very nice.
You want some more?
Not right now, thank you.
Mmm. Fresh off the tree. What's he got down there? He's got lemon, oranges, grapefruit. I didn't take any of them. Healthy trees too. No gall wasp or anything. Healthy as. Oliver, you had enough, have you, mate? Oh, I love mandarins.
I might slowly walk you back because he's getting me.
Alright, we're going. The old boy's had enough. May have missed the boat, but I'd see if I can show you. Old matey mate's up tree there. Oh, scared him. There's heaps of them. Coming to roost. No, don't like me. It's a fair few here. They're all red tails. Know some white ones too. Oh. Don't know if you can hear that in the background there. Heaps of campers over there. Having a bit of joy. Sun's going down. This is the end of Drakesbrook for the day, for them anyway. Got our fire going. It's after 4 now, so I'll start prepping dinner. We're all a bit lazy. Fire's going. We'll get the Weber going. And this will be us for the night. Enjoyed our stay here. Tomorrow we bail. It's always hard to say we've got to go, because I always want just one more day. Anyway, cheers. Yeah, well, it's come to this. It's a good bloody goon afternoon. Well, we are in a winery, and I wouldn't call their wine goon. It's very nice. Bought a few bottles today. Got the fire going. I actually had to use my blower. I found some old wood. Didn't want to quite crank up, but anyway, Weber's going. What do we got? We got a pork fillet, nice big fat piece. There we go. Some duck oil infused potatoes and some more broccoli cheese. So we're probably an hour or two away. Enjoying it. Enjoyed our stay here. Drakesbrook Wines. We bail tomorrow. Not really keen on that. I always ask for an extra day, but is what it is. Had all the red cockatoos flying through, and those white tail ones too. I still haven't flicked the drone up yet. Might do that tomorrow morning, hopefully. And then we bail, we go home. Anyway, enjoy. Good bloody morning. I haven't got a Bloody Mary because we're on our way home. This is it, 3 days done, 3 nights. Van's all packed up now, ready to go. I've just got to get down this little slippery hill and we're good to go. I didn't end up doing the drone because like the old mate said, yeah, no worries, we can do it, but he was a bit worried about the geese and me scaring them and all that, so fair call. Gotta respect the landowners and appreciate them letting us stay here. This is awesome. Cheers. Well, that leads us to an end of another one, Drakesbrook. We've actually just stopped on the roadside here, let the dogs have a bit of a run and splittles and everything else I need to do. I didn't end up getting the drone up. I spoke to old mate and he was happy for me to do it, but he was a little bit concerned I might scare the animals, the geese and ducks and everything else that they got there, so I sort of respected. I can sort of tell he didn't really want me to, but he said I could. But all good, I didn't do it. So, 3 nights, that was awesome. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed stopping, doing nothing. The wine's awesome there too, so you're gonna get some of that. We bought a few bottles. So I'll wait till I get home and I'll knock them off. Anyway, until the next one. Thanks for watching.